Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will add digits of a number using ng-bind in AngularJS. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, supporting, leaving a comment, and sharing my videos to others. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Okay, so we have here hands-on activity number 4. Write a program that uses ng-bind directive that will accept a series of digits from the user, and then the program will add all digits of a number. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 is equivalent to 15 if we add all the digits of 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we have here the code. Okay, so we have here the title, add digits of a number using ng-bind in AngularJS. We have here the CSS, Custodian Style Sheet, font family, and then Arial font size 25px, font weight bold. So this one, the Angular min.js, make sure that this file belongs to your folder or else our program will create an error. So script var amp angular module add underscore digits, amp controller app scope function, app process function, var num1 equals $amp num2, var sum rem, while num begin rem num1 modulus 10. If there is a remainder, sum plus rem mat floor whole number num1 over 10. So the add digits display the result here, and then we close the script, and then we have another script here, div ng up add underscore digits up, and then we have here the table in HTML, add digits a number using ng-bind in AngularJS, enter a number, ng model, ng change process. So the process here, calling the change process. Okay, this one is the process of our function, and then we close, and then we display the result in the span ng-bind result. Close the division, close the body of HTML and HTML. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Okay, let us go with output. Okay, add digits of a number using ng-bind in AngularJS, enter a number 56. 56 is 11. 1978 we have 25. 23 4 we have 9. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 9. 2022 we have 6. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6. 4 5 6 4 5 4 3 1 is 8. And then last example 89 we have 17. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create add digits of a number using ng-bind in AngularJS. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you learned in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. And then if you want to inquire with my services in IT consultancy, computer programming, web development, you can email me at my personal email address at jrpomperada@gmail.com. Okay, so this is my email address, and then you can visit also my website for free source code. The first one is jrpomperada.com, and then the other one is jrpomperada.blogspot.com. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.